Now, time to bring a bite into your spring. The kitchen. He has a bite into spring in the kitchen. What's that?
I feel I haven't seen it in ages. Chef Jack O'Keefe is here.
What's a bite and spring to the kitchen?
How are you?
Good.
Congratulations. I haven't seen you since Matilda.
Have you seen the difference in me?
Old.
All of a sudden, I looked young and under 30. Now I actually look my age.
No, you look fantastic. Congratulations. I'm glad to hear everything's going great for you as well. What are we having this morning?
Some lamb burgers.
Oh,
yeah.
We love
I had
having
to treat
back.
you know, first day back on the weekday show, and I was like, do you know what? I'm going to have to do, lads, proper lamb smash burgers.
Brilliant.
Right.
So just nice lamb mince?
Just good lamb mince. Look from your local supermarket, or you know me, the local butcher always gets a shout out. Just normal lamb mince, perfectly fine. You can mix it with beef mince, because I know, look, with everything that's going on, stuff can get quite expensive.
Yeah.
If you want to take like a cheaper beef mince and go half beef, half lamb, fire away. If you want to take this technique at home and just use beef,
Is lamb mince much more expensive?
it's a little bit more. A little bit more. But look, as lamb is crazy expensive, but as lamb goes, mince is the cheapest option.
Yeah.
So you're getting that kind of spring lamb effect, you know, Easter.
Without spending the fortune for
without
it,
spending whatever, 25 euro, whatever leg of lamb costs nowadays.
And because you're going to have it in a bun and all sorts of stuff, right? Do you taste the difference between a lamb burger and a beef burger?
No, that's exactly it. So if you have kids, like, this is where my head's going at the moment, like, they won't notice the difference between beef and lamb.
Okay.
You know, especially when it's in a burger.
Yeah, this for yourself then.
Yeah,
Plan it for the future, yeah.
Well, listen, you're treating us. Thank you so much.
No,
for that.
right, so skillet or a frying pan, get it nice and hot, nice and warm, right? You can do, obviously you can do this in the barbecue, but you just can't smash them on the barbecue, because if you smash it, it'll fall
through everywhere.
Yeah, right? No, but you could put the skillet on the barbecue if you wanted.
So we're doing a smash burger,
Smash
right?
burger. Look, it's all over the trends at the moment on TikTok. Every restaurant, every bar, every new startup, every new food truck. It's smash burgers, smash burgers, smash burgers, right?
Yeah.
So skillet, a little bit of oil in it, and then I have my good quality lamb mince.
I mean, it's just a burger that's put down a bit more. Like,
It's
what's
so much more crispy.
Is it?
Oh, is that the idea? That it's, you nearly char the end around
because
the
it's
edges
more
of it.
surface area and it's much thinner, so it's like eating a cracker between two buns, right? I put my meatball in first like that.
Right.
Cut piece of parchment.
Yeah.
And then just push down with your spatula, or you can go online and you can buy a smashula.
You can.
You
Can
can.
you?
I have one, but I couldn't find it. Someone's after robbing it.
Oh, wow, look at how thin that is. So the parchment paper is key to this, is it?
Yeah, it stops it from sticking to your spatula.
Now, Tommy will want about 4 of these.
Yeah,
they're
very thin.
They're very
It's like
thin
a
for
slice of
Tommy.
paper.
Oh yeah, like, so I give you one each just for the cooking of it, but normally I'd always do a double burger here, right? Let them cook away about a minute
If you got
inside.
that now in a restaurant, you'd be going, here, lads, where's the rest of this?
See, that's it. It's not restaurant food. It's street food.
Oh,
You know, it's like what you're doing. It's sitting at the side of the street eating it. Now, the sauce. Trying to keep this recipe as simple and as quick as possible. So I have some feta, and I'm just going to whip it.
Oh, you're putting feta cheese on it?
Oh yeah.
Now, would you not put that? Do you put this in between the two smash burgers or anything?
You could, yeah. Yeah. You could. You can use American cheese. You can use Irish
that going in
cheddar.
with the
So
feta?
just adding in some Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt.
And then some extra virgin olive oil. You see, they're really embracing this kind of springtime, summery vibes coming in. And then some lemon zest, just for that kind of...
Okay, nice. And with the beautiful weather at the minute, I had the barbecue going again yesterday.
Oh, really?
Oh, I love it.
I tried to
Make burgers.
Smash burgers. Smash burgers, there you go. Smash burgers.
Smash it down like that?
Well, I did it before I stuck it on the pan. Well, that's because if you do it in the barbecue, it'll go right through the grate.
They sorted them, then you just finish them off on the barbecue.
Smash them down and then put them on the barbecue.
So once you start to see it colouring straight through, just very carefully use your spatula like that and just scrape it up so it doesn't stick. So you get all the nice charred bits on it. Flip it over and look at that.
Ah, so that's what you want. It's more of that.
You want that, what we call in the kitchen is Maillard reaction. It's a scientific term for what happens and what causes meat to go brown like this.
Oh, Maillard.
Maillard reaction, yeah. Right, so that's them browning away. I've my toasted buns.
I'm glad you toast your buns. I can't understand how people just put not even cooked buns, and it's horrible.
I didn't toast my buns.
No, you should
yesterday.
always toast your buns, dear.
You're a monster.
You should always toast your buns.
Really?
Oh, when I'm president,
yeah.
that'll be illegal.
Oh,
I
no.
wouldn't do that, would you?
Put it on the barbecue and let them all go charred.
Jeez, I would never even do that.
Yeah.
Right.
Right,
Okay, well,
towards the end
for
then.
the future, I know.
You could put some cheese on this one.
Yeah.
You double them up. Pick it up like so.
So now you've just got a normal burger.
Then you got a proper
It's sort of a bit like that, isn't it? When you put 2 on it, it's a normal
Like
burger.
2 really skinny ones to make a normal one. Happy days. But the feta cheese is really good on it.
But like,
delicious.
Look, doesn't it look so pretty? But don't look like that.
It does.
Is that it, Jack?
That's it. Really simple.
I
really
could
easy.
even make that.
Listen, the poor fella's got an 8-week-old at home. He's just trying to get through
I'm
the
going to
day
be on the
at the
laptop
minute.
all night writing recipes, you know?
Okay.
And how's it all going? She's sleeping or
Sleeping.
any
We're getting
sleep?
about 4, maybe between 4 and 6 hours sleep straight every night.
Brilliant.
It's, as I was saying off air, it's suspiciously good.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, super, isn't it?
She's
Love
planning
it.
some sort of explosion, I'd say, when she gets a little bit older.
Well,
Don't be
I'd say
worrying about that.
Should be put into the kitchen from a young age.
Yeah,
as well.
certainly will.
My
Jack,
little commie chef.
Jack O'Keefe, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jack. Delicious. Now, coming up next, author Niamh Garvey is going to be chatting to us.
Yeah, we're chatting to her about inclusion and acceptance after this break.